guys, welcome to my channel. So first time joining us, welcome. My name is Bongi. Happy New Year. It's the 7th of January. It's my birthday. I'm getting ready, currently getting ready. I wanted to start this vlog today because for me the year starts today. Year 27. I'm turning 27 today. If you follow me on Instagram, you should be following me on Instagram. If you do follow me on Instagram, you know that 2022 ended on a high note. I got my first car. So that was my birthday gift from God to me. So today I'm just going to have lunch with my family. And yeah, I'm so grateful to see 2023. I really want to be more consistent. I want to blah blah blah, you know what I want to say. I want to be consistent. I want to be back on here, yeah. But firstly, let's get ready, let's cute, and then I will show you, maybe I will not, I don't know, show you my car. She cute or whatever. She's perfect for me. Her name is Faith, and I'm so grateful. I've been wanting a car forever. Yeah, let me get ready. It's really hot. I'll catch up with you guys later. We done getting ready. Whew. This top is giving me problems. Like, my boobs are gonna fall out, but we look cute. Makeup looking hella cute. I will show you guys my OOTD. Ready to go.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say I'm all about. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
Home now, bit of a mess. Boobs are falling out of this top the entire day. My word. But anyways, I had a great birthday. Need to get ready for bed. Yeah, and then we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm doing laundry. Tomorrow is Sunday, doing laundry. I found a church, but I think I'll only go try it out not this Sunday, following Sunday. But yeah, this year we're going to church. This year we want to be in community with other people in Christ, okay? Yeah, but I had a great birthday. 27 is going to be a good year. I'm speaking it into existence. God knows my heart. God knows all my desires. And God never fails me. So I'm not worried. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm just going to spend more time with my family. And yay! Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday. I've got so much laundry to do. Okay, not a lot, but because of the colors, it's different loads. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Can I tell you guys something? Today is Friday. This weekend was my birthday. I didn't vlog. It's a weird angle. I didn't vlog the whole week because I guess I was just still, very flustered with work and driving myself to work. Went great, by the way. Yeah, and this weekend I plan on going tomorrow to the mall. I got a voucher for my team, so I'm gonna buy myself something from Foschini, and then I don't know, but I'm going to the mall tomorrow Saturday. My nails are the ghetto. I put nail polish. I want to change, these are my natural nails. I want to change the person who does my nails, the salon. They're not great at it, and on top of that, they're very expensive. So I'm currently looking for a nail tech that, works on appointments, and it's not too expensive. I don't mind paying if the job that you're doing, if your work is amazing. But I was paying a lot for mediocre nails, so that's my problem. So now let's go tackle this Friday. I woke up feeling very I woke up feeling I just want to sleep. Why do I have to be an adult? Why are we doing this? Why are we here? I didn't even do my makeup. I just put foundation today and powder, and that's it, because I really couldn't be bothered. You guys can even see my hair. I'm not looking my best, but it's okay. Let's go in. I was just checking in. I'm hoping this weekend I will vlog. I will take you guys with me, and yeah, let me go and to work. Bye bye. Good morning. I would show you my face, but I'm in bed. I know I still have to go shower and go to the mall, but I'm in bed. I want to eat something and then probably go shower. I'm not wearing a top, that's why you guys can see my face, okay? I'm standing by the fan. I'm about to leave now. I'm not wearing makeup because I cannot be wearing makeup in this heat. It is extremely hot. I wouldn't be even wearing this wig if my other wigs, my bob, was clean. I have to wash my wigs when I get back.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here too?
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
So I got home like a few hours ago, and I just wanted to show you I didn't buy the shoes. I ended up buying white pants, white leg pants from Foschini. They were 400 rand, reasonable. I just realized that I don't have white pants, so I'm gonna try them on, tell you guys how I feel. I don't think I'll show you guys how I look because I braided my cornrows. Because tomorrow I'm gonna go relax my hair and, you know, maintenance, redo my cornrows. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that I did go to Foschini and I got something that I like. This is my before. So I'm going to relax and do my cornrows. It's hot. I don't have makeup. I can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. I'm back home. I'm about to nap. That's why I'm on my bed. But yeah, I did my hair, cornrows for my wig. It's so hot. It is so hot. I'm just gonna nap. I'm very tired. Tomorrow is Monday. Back to work. Back to reality. And I still have to install a wig for the week. I wish I could just go like this because wow, it's so hot. Let me just snap, guys. It's been a while. I managed to vlog today. It's Tuesday. Wearing loafers.
Don't give my shit away. Baby, don't be down. Don't be wrong. I ain't got no fun at all. This is how you, and it's beautiful as you.
I haven't been vlogging or journaling in the morning. To be quite honest, I need to find another time to journal. I think in the afternoon. Because I've been slacking. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't vlog. I hope I can vlog the rest of the week and you guys get a vlog on Sunday. Fingers crossed. Miss you guys so much. But life has been lifing. That's all it is. Life is.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one. Holla. I got my Gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. You can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy.
So contagious, I can't take it. Have my baby, let's just make it. Excuse me, what's your name?
Just came out from the dock. I'm going to fill up petrol. And I'm gonna go back home, but then I think once my sisters are ready, we're just gonna go to the mall so I can get my medication and yeah, get some things for the house. But I'm not doing anything today. Just gonna be chilling and relaxing. I'm also doing some laundry. Put some laundry in the machine and yeah, that's my Saturday. Let's go fill up.
See some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with Jason. Jason.
Lady, what's your name?
I see some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she don't like him. She never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon. The friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Even she the one on caught in the matrix. But fuck it, let the bitch burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. I honestly can't with this heat. It is ridiculous. It is hot, okay? Ending this vlog, editing the vlog this very minute, and I didn't have an outro, so this is the outro. Thank you so much if you got this far. I really appreciate it. Besides being really hot right now, I'm having a good day. I did a lot of laundry, cleaning, so I'm feeling good and ready for the week. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Maybe it will be a sit down. The next video will probably be a sit down or a vlog, I don't know. Still gonna figure that out. Not gonna stress about it, but yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.